If you're looking for ways to automate your customer service, responding to leads instantly, and answer any questions without adding more people, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm breaking down Breeze Customer Agent, HubSpot's brand new 24/7 AI concierge. What is it, why it's powerful, and how you can set it up in minutes. Let's go. Breeze Customer AI Agent is an AI assistant that lives inside your HubSpot account. It works like a concierge that works 24/7, and it does help in marketing, sales, and customer success. So it's very instant, answers immediately, very customizable and personalized, and it works only omni-channel. So it does work on Messenger, Facebook chats, your website chats, any form submissions, WhatsApp, you name it, it's all there. It understands and responds using your website, your knowledge base, any PDF that you attach to it, it's all gonna be there, and it's fully integrated to HubSpot. Think of it like a supercharged chatbot, but smarter, friendlier, and way easier to set up. So why does this change the game? Let's talk about why this is important. But before we do, let's hit the like button and subscribe and make sure that you are supporting this channel to get the most updates on HubSpot. So first, you get instant replies. It's 24/7. So your customers don't want to wait for answers. With Breeze AI agents, most questions are handled even at midnight. You have, of course, reduced volumes of tickets that are needed for human help. That is the second reason, the reduced ticket volume. Early users are seeing up to 50% of support tickets handled automatically. That means your team can stay focused on the tough stuff. Number three, you have higher conversion rates for sales and marketing. Breeze answers questions like, when is your next webinar, or do you offer free trials and things like that, that needs automatic and immediate response, and you can have better conversions using that. You don't need, of course, the fourth is no extra hires are needed. So you don't need to build a support team in every time zone. Breeze scales as you go. Number five, it's built into your CRM, into HubSpot. No new software is needed, no separate dashboard. Just plug it into HubSpot tools. You're already using it, and that's it. And the setup, it's easier than you think. How to set it up? Let's go step by step. First, you need to go to Service, Customer Agent. Once you're here, you're going to get all the, of course, content that you need, whatever you need to add for this to be used. You can add your knowledge base as a source, your website, your landing page, anything that you want, as well as you can add external support or knowledge base links. All of it is possible. As long as you set it here, you're good to go. That's the first step. You have the content ready, how to add all of this, and then the agent is going to use all of this into its responses. You're going to get a full assign it to a channel, so you can decide if you're assigning it to a help desk, live chat, WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. And then once you choose the live chat, you can go ahead, move forward, choose which channel are you going to connect it to, and you can either do handoff as a goal to the agent, or it's going to be unassigned and it's just going to say, hey, our agents are not available right now. Please respond via email and we'll be in touch. Another way is you can assign it to specific users and teams. Let's say I want to use it to specific people in the CS team. I can go ahead and do that. Once that's done, I go ahead and assign it, and that's it. And then on the configuration piece, of course, you can have availability messages like, the team is available. I'd be happy to transfer you to a human. When the team is at full capacity and everybody is responding to other clients, you get another response that says max capacity, all of our team members are busy. A team member will be responding to you as soon as possible. Whenever the team is away, that means that nobody is available. You can just say, we don't have a team member available to help right now. And then outside of working hours, you have those messages. We don't have anyone of the team members available, and handoff unavailable. We don't have any agent available right now. Please respond with your email and we'll be in touch. So all of this is possible to put here. You can create different triggers based on what you're looking for. All of this sits inside HubSpot, and then you can choose if you're doing this for customer success, support, marketing, sales, and customer success. And you can put the personality of the agent, if it's friendly, professional, casual, empathetic, or witty. All of it is possible here to set up, and that's it. You're good to go. You can preview it here, see how it's working, ask it questions and things like that. It's all gonna be inside your CRM. It's all in the customer agent. So this is how you set it up. It takes a couple of seconds. Step 5 is, of course, checking your performance, making sure everything is good, and then refine it once it's live. Every conversation is going to be visible in the HubSpot inbox. You can review it, jump in, and let it do its own thing. It learns and improves over time, which is amazing. That's it. You're live. Congrats, you're live. That's it. If you have HubSpot Breeze set up, then you have a 24-hour customer agent that is working for you without need to add more people or anyone. All automated, set up, and it keeps learning. If you have HubSpot Service Hub Pro or Enterprise, you already have it. If you don't, then maybe it's a reason to upgrade. Drop a comment how you're using Customer AI Agent at the moment. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.